Good morning. Another unboxing na naman tayo. It's a card again. You know, Landers and Maya partnership. Take your membership to the next level. Oh my goodness. Oh, see that? Ang ganda. Grabe ang ganda ng card. Parang black card talaga. Ng mga black card na yan, mga unlimited yan eh. Ang ganda. Black card. Pero liit lang yung pala ng laman. Tingnan mo. Talaga dyan. Cashback everywhere. 5% sa cashback at Landers. And 2% on dining. And 1% everywhere else. Grabe nga cashback. Ay! Di mabangbang. Woo! Woo! Ganda. Woo! Pita natin. Grabe. Ang ganda ng card. So what are you waiting for? Maya app. And input your Landers membership card number to get Maya credit card. Yeah!